ready?
Oh, I thought we were supposed to start.
Okay. Are you ready?
What the heck is wrong with you?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I've been born ready.
Wait, I think you should
Alright.
scoot back a
Go!
little.
Fight!
What the heck?
Ninja skills.
Okay, girl. I don't think we need to scream. I thought it was stage fright. I'm gonna win!
This is a fail.
Hey, you're supposed to touch her.
Ronnie Diamond.
Alright.
I knocked her down because you guys stuck on me.
And I'll do that 1, 2, 3 thing.
Someone do a
I'm
cartwheel.
gonna teabag you. Leapfrog, everybody. Leapfrog, anybody?
You wanna go?
I gotta push her. Oh no, no, mess up my hair. I got these. Here, take my hair. Take my hair. Take my other piece.
Take my leave. Sit down!
I'll bite you. She goes, no. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. My abs are coming in. I'll kill you with the beaver flip.
Oh!
You're dead.
Oh! Wait a minute, Mustache Man, you killed Nyla. Are you guys gonna fight?
I thought you were bigger.
When I was right here.
Come on, Sissy! I resurrected.
Now
I
that's-
resurrected into something bigger and better.
That guy's saying.
The same thing.
Step off. Step off.
Resurrection. Come on, sissies!
Paige can kill you in 2 seconds.